Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to enter and exit recovery mode on your Galaxy A17 and all its versions, okay? So the first step for you to be able to enter or exit recovery mode, you need your phone's charging cable and it should be connected to your computer. The computer needs to be turned on so that when you plug it into your phone down here, it shows that the phone is charging, okay? So you're going to take the USB end of the cable, plug it into the computer, and now you're going to connect this part here to the phone. You're going to connect it, okay? It should show that it's charging like this. Now what are you going to do? The phone screen should be on. If it's locked, you're going to press the button to turn the screen on. We press the power button together with the volume down button. We're going to press both at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. We press on. When the phone screen turns off, you let go of the volume down button and press the volume up button. Without releasing the power button, keep holding it until it enters recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, you can let go of both buttons, and this cable down here, you can remove it. Here we are already inside recovery mode. To move around in recovery mode, you'll use the volume down and volume up buttons to navigate. To confirm any option you want to select, you'll use the power button, okay? And to exit recovery mode, you'll select the first option and confirm with this button. This way, the phone will exit recovery mode. So that was today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.